All right, everybody, this is Kelly, Southwest Blinds and Shutters. So I want to talk to you about sliding doors again. That's a popular topic. A lot of people have shutters. They've either bought a house that already had them or they plan on putting them in all of their windows and they want the sliding door to match. So what do? We have a bypass shutter. So what that means, it's kind of like your closet doors that slide back and forth. I'll show you how that works, just like that. So you can slide the panels to open and close. So say my sliding door opened this way, then I could just slide those panels back and forth and have access to go in and out the door. It's a great way to cover. You get a nice sleek valance over the top. There's a few different profiles that you can put. They also do returns over the side. I'll show you on this side, it's easier to see it. But you can see the return goes all the way to the wall there. And then you've got this box out here. So I want to talk to you about the box out. If I were to recommend against this, it would be because of the box out. And so the reason why is that the box out has to be big enough for the louvers to be able to tilt without hitting the glass. And they're having one panel in front of the other, and because of that, we have this large size box out here. If you don't like that, then this is not the right solution for you. But if you like the style of it and you like how easy it is to function, open and close, just like that, you can do that. Now, this one here is called a closed bypass. So what that means is that when I open and close it, I have to have all the louvers shut. And so if I had it open, then I wouldn't be able to open and close it. So there is a shutter, there's a bypass that is open, and that one you can have the louvers open all the way, and have them open and close with them being open. The challenge with that one is that your box out on the side here is even bigger than what it is normally. So if you don't like that option, that would be also something that would rule you out on this. But in regards to durability, in regards to beauty and functionality, this is a great option. So, and plus it ties in with all the rest of your shutters throughout the house. So might be something you want to consider.